Hey YouTube, Sean here. When we got done replacing the servo in the UMX turbo timber, when I set it down flat, the tail wheel was kind of bent over a little bit, and I figured, just glancing at it, that this suspension strut wheel holder was bent. No, the hinges were all broke, and all they consist of is just three pieces of this decal that got pinched in the middle. You know, so this is a big sticker on here, and it came through in three different spots, and it was just pinched, and that was the hinge. So I've been doing some experimenting with some foam safe CA glue to use on the CA hinges. I got two in so far. If these dry and hold like they're supposed to, then we'll put a third one on together on camera and then connect it to the plane. So cross your fingers this works, and then maybe it can help you out, and maybe we can do this on all the control surfaces, because they're all just a pinched decal, you know, for the wings and the flaps and elevator, all of it. But so far, this looks really good. And you can take one CA hinge and cut it into three strips and get your three pieces out. But this stuff's called, I noticed that my headlight put a bad reflection on it, so maybe this will help you real quick. You can pause it and read it, and I'll flip it over and you can see the back too. You know, I'm getting all kinds of reflections, but I got it on Amazon. So far, so good. Bob Smith Industries Super Gold bonds all foams, clear plastic, wood, fiberglass, and ceramic. And I read the back, and it said accelerator would be best on foam. An accelerator is really just a flavored water, in my opinion. But I put the glue on there on the bottom with no accelerator, and on the top I used the accelerator, and this one got a little hard right down there, and I had to bend it back and forth a little bit to kind of get the crustiness out, and this one stayed more flexible. So I'm gonna give this stuff a durability test here in a little bit, and then we'll do another video. All right, until next time, you'll see me here.